So hey guys, my name is Divyansh and I have secured All India rank of 221 in J Advanced 2019, and I am here to answer few of the most important questions which every J aspirant need to know. I would like to thank the entire team of Mission Ed, which is basically a startup founded by the students of IIT Kharagpur and IIT Kanpur, and they are starting a new campaign which is called J Toppers. So I'm here to help in that. So there are few questions which I would like to discuss with you. So the first question is about the board in which I studied. So I studied in CBSE board, Central Board of Secondary Education. So the second question is which school and city. So in 11th 12th I studied in Blue Heaven School, which is in Jaipur, Rajasthan. So that's my 11th 12th school. The third question is how did you prepare for JEE mains and advanced? So basically, I started my journey in class 11th. I joined a coaching institute, which is I will not enclose the name of the coaching institute. There are many coaching institute which you can join. So you must at least stick to one coaching institute in order to excel JEE advanced. Coaching institute is very important. So because there are many things which which are taught in coaching classes, but those things are not taught in the regular classes. And after joining the coaching institute, I follows 2 years of extreme hard work and several tests, several mock tests before actual J appear. And about the coaching institute, they will provide you all the information on JEE Advanced, how to understand, I mean, everything you need to know. So basically for preparation, coaching institute is the number one thing, and your own hard work is the most important thing. So yeah, that's all. So for the next question is about mock test and how it helps. Okay, so mock test is a very important thing. So as I said that I was in a coaching institute, and one of the most important benefits of coaching institute is that they conduct regular test. Regular test like they conduct regular in about 2 to 3 weeks. So they conduct regular test, which is called class test, based on the topics which have they covered till now. So also the coaching institutes have their own mock test. Almost all the coaching institutes have their own mock test, and you can also rely on the mock test of other coaching institutes. That is, you are studying in Allen, so you can also do the mock test of FITGI or Akash Institute, etc. And yeah, mock tests are very helpful as they give you the much needed environment for practicing to JEE Advanced. And the main how it helps, mock tests are very important. Mock test helps you to realize your weaknesses and allow you to work on your weaknesses, and it show you what is the level of your preparation, and what are the things you need to prepare to the most. That's all. Okay, so the next question is about preparation strategy. Okay, so basically the preparation strategy of every JEE student is basically you have to attend all the classes and revise all the that this that got taught in class after you come back to the classes. Uh, you have, and after revising you have to solve as much as problems as possible. uh, in the context of class, the teachers will help you to understand everything that you need to ask as many as doubt as possible. And remember, you should focus on solving quality questions, not the various numerous easy questions, because quality questions are what JEE provide. Okay, so about else, give as many as tests as possible, because test help you to realize your weaknesses. And you must not leave any concept halfway. You have to learn every concept to the fullest, and you have to study regularly. There should not be any break, and that's it. Okay, so the next question is about time balance. Okay, basically, if you are in a coaching institute, there is no need to worry about boards. Basically, the question is about time balance between J and boards. So, if you are in coaching institute, there is no need to worry about boards. In my case, I started studying for boards about a month or 1.5 months before actual JE, and I secured a very good percentage, which is 95.4, easily. I'm saying easily. Believe me, it will be a child's play for you if you are regularly studying for JE Advanced, and there is no need to worry at all. uh, I kept my all attention to the coaching institute, and I don't used to go to the school that regular with that regularity. Okay, so there is no need to worry for the boards. I mean, 1 month is enough for the preparation of boards, because coaching institute basically cover all the topics which also are covered in the boards. So I don't think that worrying for boards is that important. And okay, that's all. So the next question is about my success mantra. Okay, so it's not matlab, there is no really shortcut for J Advance. If you want to really go to the India's most prestigious engineering institute, you have to work really, really hard, because there is no shortcut to that. And focus on learning, increasing your knowledge, then memorizing everything like a parrot, and make friends which will push make those friends with positive personality, who push you upwards rather than push you down. And revise your progress, stay motivated, and that's all. So the next question is, um, stress, about the stress. What is my stress booster strategy? So there is no need to take stress, man. I mean, just give your all to so that you should satisfy. The main thing is that one should satisfy. In case of stress, I used to listen music, or watch random videos on YouTube. Um, I would recommend you to watch Chajore. That's a very good movie. Um, that will help a lot. So that's all. There is no need to take stress. Um, okay, or you can talk to your friends, teachers, or family members in case of stress. That's all. Okay, so regarding the mentor, so mentor is also the very most important thing in the preparation of JE. In my case, my mentor was my teacher and my brother. Okay, so my brother is also in IIT Guwahati. So, and I am in IIT Kharagpur. So you should really discuss everything related to you, your performance, your doubts with the teachers, and ask them any query you have. They will help you the most. They will help you the most in realizing your mistakes and what steps you should take, and how to improve your growth, obviously. And another question is how to keep a check on performance, and what with what benefits. So keeping a check on performance is the most important factor in J Advance. One must check his her performance to see what he lacks, on what topics he has to work more. I used to analyze every paper, every question once after giving that paper. Uh, I used to analyze my performance very seriously, make notes, and used to write those mistakes that previously done, so that I would not repeat that mistake again. And review your paper after your test, and solve each and every question. Don't leave any doubt unsolved. Okay, so last question is about the how online classes and real-time doubt solving can help in studies. Okay, so there are many benefits of online class, of course, and like it minimizes your wastage of time. Like I used to go to the coaching institute on a van, so it takes a lot of time. It wastes a lot of time in going to and coming from back from coaching institute. So that's the most important point. It saves you a lot of time. And real time doubt solving. So doubt solving is one of the most important factor, because uh, no doubt should remain unsolved. You must not leave any doubt unsolved, as it may be possible that that question itself come to the JEE Advanced and you will not be able to solve then that. I used to solve every doubt that I get regularly, and uh, my teacher would help me in that, uh, and uh, and that's all. So I hope that my questions will satisfy you and will motivate you. So guys, I hope this will help you. So guys, good luck for your JEE Advance, and macha dena janta.